Hello everyone, it's been a few years since I was last on YouTube. Yeah, thought I'd show some face and show everyone what I've been doing for the last, I don't know, 2 and a bit years since I was last around. It's raining here, so I might actually just put this on. Sunny England. Yeah, those who will remember me, I'm Daniel from the Euro Drain Rat with a company called Tap That. I was a plumber, still am a plumber, and I used to post a lot of videos doing drainage and jetting and drain cleaning and whatnot. And still got the original van that everyone remembers. The same machine used to be red, it's now blue. It's been blue for about just over 2 years. I just don't use it anymore. It's been sitting around. So why have I been off YouTube? I've been off YouTube because life just got busy, work got hectic. I've still been doing drain cleaning, but moved away from the plumbing slightly. Moved on to something a bit more exciting than what I used to do, which I'll show you. So this is the old van that everyone remembers. Hasn't moved around for a while. It's been standing for a year and a half, which means what have I been jetting with and what have I been cleaning drains with? This is what I drive daily. Toyota Hilux, which also doesn't clean drains and jets, but it's good for plumbing and pumps and stuff like that. What do I jet with? I'll show you in a minute. Before I show you that, I've got a yard and a place where I set up base, which you can see behind me. I purchased those 2 containers, just 2 20-foot shipping containers with a plan. So yeah, I'll show you the gate. So use the sign as a reference point. Sign, 2 containers, gate to drive in, and then it's got a bit of access over there. And I've had this yard since June last year, and got some plans. So there's a container, and I plan to concrete in the middle, which is there, concrete the middle, and put a roof over between the 2 shipping containers. And my videoing skills aren't so good anymore. Well, they never were, but they'll get better. So shipping container, roof will go over from one container to the other. Concrete base between the 2 containers, and then a door across the front, like a makeshift warehouse, but it will be perfect for what I need anyway. And then obviously I got the containers for storage. The site has water, it's got a water supply, it's got electricity, which is perfect, and yeah, everything I need really. So what have I been doing? Let me show you. I bought a tanker, and I bought the tanker in 2023. I ordered it in January 2023, and it was being built, and it arrived in October 2023. So still basically considered brand new. It's only got 28,000 miles on it now, but that's what I've been doing. I'll go through all the specs on it in another video and show everyone how it works and what it does. And basically it vacuums a lot of waste, human waste, petrol, oil, pump station services, all that kind of thing. And this hose reel over here replaced my water jet, which is in that van over there. So this has 200 meters of jetting hose on it. It's all fully remote control. We've got a full rear door at the back. That whole rear door opens on the hydraulics. It lifts upwards, which I'll get some photos together and I'll show everyone how it works and everything. The main thing it carries, politicians' promises, because we know what they talk. And that's about it. I'll show lots of videos of it jetting, I'll show videos of it vacuuming, and yeah, it's a pretty cool big piece of equipment. 18-ton vehicle, holds just over 10,000 liters of waste. This tank looks like one, but it's not. If we go out a bit, so tank looks like one tank, but that's waste which is currently in there now. You can see the level of waste which is in there, and then this is the clean water that we've got. So that's how much clean water we got. The tank is split. You can see the weld line over here. Well, you can't see it on camera, but there's a weld line over there. So that side is clean, 1,000 liters of clean and just over 10,000 liters of waste. And yeah, nice and new and shiny, besides a bit of mud on the wheels. Still basically in brand new condition, and I'm keen to show you guys what it's about. Show you everything about it. And hope you're keen to see what it does. It does get smelly, it does get messy, but that's what people like apparently. See you later.